In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're new to Google Sites, don't worry. We're going to take it one step at a time and make sure everything is clear. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Google Sites. Open your web browser and type in sites.google.com. Press Enter, and you'll be directed to the Google Sites homepage. If you haven't signed in already, make sure you're logged into your Google account, because this is essential for accessing your sites and making edits. Once you're there, you'll see a list of sites you've created or have access to. Let's move on to the next step. Now take a look at your list of sites and click on the site where you want to add a text box. This will bring you into the editing interface of that particular site. Remember, this is where all the customization happens, from designing pages to adding content, such as text boxes. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make things easier as you follow along. With the site open, you'll see a panel or menu bar on the right-hand side. This is where you can add various elements like images, text boxes, or even embedded content. Look for and click on the text box option. You'll notice that a new text box appears on your page, ready for you to input your content. If you're planning to add text frequently, this is where you'll come back repeatedly, so it's great to know the location of this feature. Once your text box is on the page, it's time to type in your words. Simply click inside the text box, and you can start typing immediately. This is where you can add your headings, paragraphs, or any other text content that you need your site visitors to read. Take your time to ensure your content is clear and concise, as this is likely to be one of the main ways your audience will engage with your site. Finally, to make sure all your hard work is saved and visible to your audience, click on the Publish button. You can usually find this button at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking it will ask you to confirm your changes, and once you do, your site is updated with the new text box for all to see. This step is crucial, so don't forget to publish. Otherwise, changes will be saved only in the editing mode and not live for your site visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert a text box on Google Sites quickly and efficiently. Keep experimenting with different elements to enhance your Google Sites skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.